Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I know how hard it can feel when you're trying to learn English as an adult, grammar rules, vocabulary lists, and still struggling to speak naturally. But here's the good news. You absolutely can learn faster and easier, just like you did with your first language. In this video, we'll explore the powerful way babies learn languages, and how you can use the same method to improve your English quickly and enjoyably. If you love practical, science-backed tips told through an easy story, please subscribe. You'll get more videos like this delivered straight to your feed, making daily practice simple and fun. Ready? Let's jump in. Imagine a little baby named Lily. She's only 6 months old. She can't walk or read. But every day, she hears her parents talk. Look at the dog. Do you want milk? Good night, sweetie. Thousands of simple sentences. Lily just listens. She smiles. She babbles sounds. At 1 year old, she says her first word, Mama. Everyone cheers. No pressure. No tests. By 2 years, Lily speaks full sentences. I want juice. The cat is sleeping. No grammar books. No flashcards. Just natural input and play. By 5, she speaks fluently. Thousands of words. Perfect grammar, without knowing rules. How does a baby do this? Scientists call it language acquisition. Not learning with books. Acquisition through massive exposure and fun. Now, think about adults learning English. We study rules. Past tense. Add ed. We memorize lists. We fear mistakes. Progress feels slow. But what if we learn like babies again? No rules first. Just lots of easy English. Play. Copy. Enjoy. This method is real. It's called the natural approach or input hypothesis. Experts like Stephen Krashen proved it works. Let me tell you the story of Mark, a 32-year-old engineer from Spain. Mark studied English in school for 10 years. He knew grammar perfectly, but speaking? Scary. Words stuck in his throat. One day, he decided to try the baby method. First step, massive listening. Mark stopped grammar books. He started listening to easy English every day. Podcasts for beginners. Children's stories. YouTube videos with simple words. At first, he understood only 50%. But he kept going. No dictionary. Just guess from context. Like a baby hearing milk with a bottle. After 3 months, he understood 80%. Words started sticking. Second step, no pressure to speak early. Babies listen for months before talking. Mark did the same. He listened for 6 months. No forcing sentences. He watched cartoons, Disney movies, friends with subtitles. He laughed at jokes. He felt the rhythm of English. Third step, copy and play. When ready, Mark started shadowing. He played a sentence. How are you today? Pause. Repeat exactly. Tone. Speed. Feeling. Like a baby saying mama after hearing it 1,000 times. He talked to himself. I'm making coffee. It smells good. He sang English songs in the shower. No judgment. Just play. Fourth step, read simple stories. Babies hear stories. Mark read graded readers. Easy books with pictures. Level 1, then 2. Oxford Bookworms. Short stories. He read the same book twice. First for fun. Second for details. Vocabulary grew naturally. Fifth step, find a language parent. Babies have parents who talk to them. Mark found language exchange partners online. Hello Talk app. He messaged simple things. Hi, I'm Mark. I like soccer. Partners replied slowly. Corrected gently. Like parents saying, good job, to a baby's first word. Mark made mistakes. I go to store. Partner smiled. Went. No shame. Just progress. 6 months in, something magical happened. Mark dreamed in English. He thought in English without trying. At work, he joined meetings. Words flowed. 1 year later, colleagues said, your English is amazing. How? Mark smiled. I learned like a baby. Now, let's break down the baby method for you. Step 1. Get massive comprehensible input. Listen to English you mostly understand. 80 to 90%. Podcasts like 6-Minute English. Stories for learners. Songs with lyrics. 30 to 60 minutes daily. Step 2. Focus on meaning, not form. Don't worry about grammar yet. Understand the message first. Like babies ignoring rules. Step 3. Delay speaking. Listen and read for 3 to 6 months. Build a strong base. When ready, start small. 1 sentence a day. Step 4. Imitate and play. Shadow videos. Sing songs. Talk to pets or mirror. Make it fun. Step 5. Read extensively. Easy books, comics, news for beginners. Read for pleasure. Step 6. Interact when ready. Find patient partners. Language apps. Tandem. Italki. Speak without fear. Step 7. Be patient and consistent. Babies take years. Adults can do it faster with focus. 6 to 12 months for big improvement. Mark's story is real for many. Polyglots use this method. You don't need talent. You need the right way. Start today. Listen to one easy podcast. Watch one simple video. Your brain is still like a baby's, ready to absorb. Thank you for watching until the end. These baby-like habits really work. Try one and feel the difference. If you want more tips like this, subscribe. New stories every week to make your English journey easier. See you in the next video. Start listening like a baby today. You've got this.